overtakes Parsons here.
Patrick Evans.
Big whip looks all the way back.
Easily the most improved rider this year and maybe the best.
Going into Jeremy's house, but today we're actually going to go fill up some cans of diesel and get this skid steer going and start clearing out a runway for the next gen to go to a flat bag. So we need to build like a deck to put the bag on, because the next gen you go so high. Like if we put it flat the way we had the 75 set up when I first learned front flips, you'd be like falling out of the sky and it would just not be that chill. So but step one, fill a bunch of diesel cans and start clearing out a path for the run in.
Wanting to see for myself again. It's a race to the ground, back to you again. I am lost. The path is unclear and the air is thin. I am overlit and everything here isn't true. Remember how voice was an echo to me. Your arms were just out of reach. Years we spilled by within, but never one. Remember when we sought comfort in the sand, and we moved on, trees that bend shapes.
Deeper to me, because mine has the mesh and you see through it.
Oh.
This one looks like a fucking wall.
See, to me, it looks mellow as hell.
Really?
Yeah, no, they're fucking cool, dude. They're way better than 75.
Everyone says the landing sucks because you land so hard.
Well, just because everyone puts them to like airbags and shit.
Yeah, you had to go to a steep landing.
Alright, buddy. I'll pull that thing.
Now I wait till next week. Alright, it's Monday. Spent all last week hoping to get on the airbag, but just kind of kept having some pushbacks and little issues with the setup. We had a hole in the bag, which Matt is fixing right now, and finally get some front flip next gen practice.
Thank you. Who wants to see a big ass stunt?
Have you ever lived a lifetime in one day? I said I didn't want a part of it. Caught up in the crossbar, trying to run away. I find it, I can find it. Can you see inside these being eyes? Will they ever save our friends from the grip of the still burning time? Rising so high.
Fuck yeah! I got that shit all fucking day.
Hey, those look fucking sick.
Right?
Your bike gets so whipped out, like really sick. Zoom in, motherfucker. You act like we're Chinese. And
I was a little. Oh yeah.
sick as fuck. It's sick how whipped out you get on it.
Yeah.
I mean that could do pretty. I can medal. Maybe.
Yeah, I hit my head.
Sink!
Yeah, I got a concussion, I think. Alright, well, I've been due for something like that. We're getting